10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Main engine's firing, and we have liftoff of the first ILS Proton rocket of 2010 from the Baikonur Cosmodrome in Kazakhstan, carrying the Intelsat 16 communications satellite on board.
Mission is proceeding normally.
At about 10 seconds after liftoff, the rocket did a roll maneuver, and it will soon experience maximum dynamic pressure, or max Q. Max Q being the maximum aerodynamic load on the vehicle. It corresponds to the Mach 1.5 and occurs at approximately 1 minute, 4 seconds after liftoff. Let's listen.
Flight is proceeding well. Control system parameters are steady.